Ah! Chase my shoe.
It's on video.
Come on, Rufus.
I think somebody's calling you. Dad, stop.
You gotta take a vid. This is for do-off. Come here. I'm gonna send this to do-off. Hey, Rufus. This is Brady. She won't touch him. He's about to bite me in the face. There, little buddy.
He likes I want to touch him. But he keeps biting.
I don't know what her problem is. He keeps following us down the beach.
Here, put him down and let's walk him.
All right.
Come on.
Come on, Rufus.
Get him, Rufus.
Come on, Rufus.
You want
Goofy.
silver? Come on, Rufus. Rufus.
Let's go, buddy.
Take him off. They didn't say no pelicans in the hotel.
I think we're in trouble.
Why?
How are we going to get rid of him?
Come on, Rufus.
We could drive away. You know what? He's probably...
Come on, Rufus. Come on. Come on.
He just likes silver, so he's following us, and plus he likes us.
Birds like me.
Rufus! Don't let him bite your thumb.
Weird. All right.
Rufus!